Hello and welcome to AlbertRHartley.com, the reluctant lawyer. Today we're going to do some ambulance chasing. No, we're not going to chase any ambulances. What we're talking about is personal injury. Melissa's giving me the cut. Don't talk about that. Here's what I want to talk to you about. Number one rule. If you get in an accident and you've got a potential personal injury claim, the opposing insurance company may attempt to contact you to get a recorded statement. That is a no-no. You should speak to a lawyer first, because anything on that recorded statement they're going to use against you down the road. They may ask you questions like, so were you not that hurt? And you say, no, I'm not that hurt. I mean, because I'm in a little bit of pain, but not too much. Well, then the next day after the accident, you got a shooting pain all over down your back. What's going to happen later on is they're going to use that recorded statement on the day of the accident against you, and they're going to say, now you're just making it up because you've seen a lawyer. So my rule to my clients is, listen, don't talk to the insurance adjusters until you get legal advice. They can get a recorded statement later. You can talk to your attorney about it, really get an idea of what you're going to talk about, because they want you to say something wrong. They hope that you say something wrong. I mean, how are they going to save you 15 car insurance in 15 minutes, if you know what I'm saying? So look, be careful. Make sure that you talk to a lawyer after you get in an accident, and don't answer the phone if it's an insurance company. Use your caller ID. You know, don't answer it. If you got any questions or comments, please send them to me at AlbertRHartley.com. Looking for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for visiting.